to Lake Math. Now, when we're talking about adding and subtracting positive numbers, adding and subtracting positive numbers, or positive and negative numbers, they're really the same thing. 3 plus -2 or 3 minus 2. These are both the same thing. So really, we're just adding. Now, if they got the same sign, you're just going to add them and keep the sign. It's really nothing to that. If they're both negative, you just add them up, and it's still negative. Now, if they have different signs, you're going to subtract them, and your sign is going to be whatever you have more of. So if the negative number is bigger, it's negative. If the positive number is bigger, it's positive.